Welcome to Bestsellers Market. We're thrilled to have you here today. My name is, and I'm excited to guide you through today's special countdown of the best-selling embroidery products on Amazon. Embroidery has become a beloved craft, a blend of artistry and precision that allows us to create beautiful, intricate designs with just a needle and thread. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, today's selection is sure to inspire your next project. So, without further ado, let's dive into our countdown of the top embroidery products currently taking Amazon by storm. Get ready to discover some fantastic tools and materials that can elevate your embroidery game to new heights. Let's get started. Hold on to your creativity caps, because number 5 on our list is a dazzling marvel that's sure to light up your embroidery projects. Introducing the Paxcoo 124 Skeins Embroidery Floss Cross-Stitch Thread with Needles. Let's dive into why this is a must-have for every embroidery enthusiast out there. Picture this: an array of 124 skeins of vibrant embroidery threads, each one a potential masterpiece waiting to be stitched. Yes, you heard it right. 124 skeins. These threads aren't just any threads. They're crafted from a polyester cotton blend, offering the perfect balance of strength and sheen. Imagine glossy, smooth strands gliding effortlessly through your fabric, making your projects not only durable, but also delightfully easy to work with. And let's talk colors. With approximately 100 bright, eye-popping hues, your creative possibilities are endless. From friendship bracelets to intricate cross-stitch patterns, the Paxcoo set ensures your designs burst with life and vibrancy. Each skein, measuring a generous 8 meters, comes with 6 strands, giving you ample material to bring your imagination to life. But that's not all. The Paxcoo set also includes a set of 16 gold eye embroidery needles, ranging from sizes #3 to #9. These needles are perfect companions for your embroidery floss, making stitching on cotton or ribbon a breeze. Their gold eyes not only add a touch of elegance, but also make threading simple, even for beginners. And here's the kicker: Paxcoo stands behind their product. If you encounter any hiccups, just click the Seller Contact button in your Amazon account, and their team will leap to your aid. They're committed to ensuring your embroidery journey is as smooth and delightful as the threads themselves. So, whether you're a seasoned embroiderer or just starting, the Paxcoo 124 Skeins Embroidery Floss Cross-Stitch Thread with Needles is your ticket to a vibrant, creative adventure. Embellish your world one stitch at a time. Prepare to be amazed by the number 4 product on our list, a true game-changer for embroidery enthusiasts. Introducing the Simthread Embroidery Thread 5,500 yards black, 940 W at 100% polyester. This isn't just thread. It's a revolution in your crafting toolkit. Let's start with the basics. Imagine having 5,500 yards of premium quality thread at your disposal. Yes, you heard it right. 5,500 yards. This colossal spool is designed to keep you stitching for longer, whether you're tackling mammoth projects or those intricate long-term creations. And it's not just any thread. This is a 40-weight, 100% polyester marvel, meticulously crafted to meet the demands of home-based, semi-industrial, industrial, and commercial embroidery machines. Brother, Babelock, Janome, Singer, Pfaff, Husqvarna, Bernina. This thread is your go-to for them all. But it doesn't stop there. The Simthread collection boasts an astounding 170 vivid colors, each one more vibrant than the last. Your most demanding color requirements? Consider them met. A handy color chart makes selecting your perfect hue a breeze, allowing you to seamlessly convert and find exactly what you need. Elevate your craft with this extensive palette and watch your imagination come to life like never before. Now, let's talk quality. This isn't just any polyester thread. This is upgraded trilobal polyester, produced using advanced imported materials and cutting-edge technology. Designed to excel under speeds of up to 1,000 stitches per minute, this thread boosts your work efficiency by a remarkable 20%. Imagine breezing through your projects with unmatched productivity. while maintaining the highest standards of quality. And what about safety? Simthread takes this seriously. Their embroidery machine thread is meticulously produced to meet higher standards, passing rigorous lab tests to ensure compliance with CPSC regulations and all essential safety standards. Child-safe and environmentally friendly, this thread offers you peace of mind as you create. Durability? Check. Simthread embroidery machine thread is built to withstand the rigors of daily wear and tear. Laundering, bleaching, rubbing, washing, perspiration. This thread stands strong, ensuring your creations remain vibrant and resilient. Need support? Simthread has you covered. Should you have any concerns or encounter any issues, their dedicated team is ready to assist, ensuring your satisfaction with both the product and the service. So, elevate your embroidery game with the Simthread embroidery thread, 5,500 yards black 900. It's not just thread. It's your trusted companion in every stitch, every design, every masterpiece. Prepare to be dazzled by the number 3 gem in our countdown. The new brothread, single huge spool, 5000 m polyester embroidery machine thread in white. This is not just a thread, it's a game changer for both commercial and domestic embroidery enthusiasts. First off, imagine having access to one of the largest color selections in the embroidery world. Over 1,500 colors to be exact. New brothread has handpicked the most popular shades and bundled them into single huge spools of 5,000 meters each. Whether you're working on a grand commercial project or a delicate home craft, you can choose from an array of hues to match your exact needs. And if you're looking for precise color matching, the new brothread color chart makes it easy to convert between Brother and Madeira colors, ensuring your projects are always on point. But it's not just about color. Let's talk performance. This thread is crafted from 100% polyester, which means it's color fast, boasts high strength, and delivers exceptional luster. It's designed to shine, stitch after stitch, with vibrant durability that can handle the demands of any embroidery project. The spool itself is a marvel of engineering. Each one is 40 weight, 120D/2, thick, and extends a staggering 5,000 meters in length, or 5,500 yards. This makes it perfect for everything from home-based to semi-industrial, and even commercial embroidery machines. However, if you're using a home machine, be sure to equip an upright thread stand or holder to manage this generous length effectively. Performance-wise, this thread is suggested to run at an average speed of 800 stitches per minute. For those rare colors that require a bit more time in the dyeing process, you might encounter slight variations in strength. In such cases, slowing your machine speed to around 600 stitches per minute can help maintain smooth, consistent results. In summary, the new brothread single huge spool, 5,000 m polyester embroidery thread is your ideal partner for both intricate home projects and expansive commercial endeavors. With its vast color range, superior quality, and robust performance, it's designed to elevate your embroidery to new heights. Embrace this thread and let your creativity soar. Are you loving the countdown of the best-selling embroidery products on Amazon? Don't let your creativity get tangled. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and press the bell icon so you never miss a stitch. Get ready to elevate your crafting game with the number 2 contender in our top 5 countdown, the Embroidery Floss Rainbow Color 50 Skeins Per Pack. This is not just embroidery floss, it's a vibrant explosion of creativity waiting to happen. Imagine having 50 vivid rainbow-colored skeins at your fingertips. That's right. 50 dazzling hues to ignite your imagination and bring your projects to life. Whether you're stitching intricate cross-stitch patterns, crafting colorful friendship bracelets, or diving into DIY projects, this floss set is a rainbow of possibilities. Each skein is crafted from 100% high-quality mercerized cotton, ensuring a smooth, luxurious texture that's a dream to work with. At 8.75 yards per skein and with 6 strands per thread, you've got ample length and flexibility for any creative endeavor. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned crafters, this embroidery kit is ideal for a range of projects. Think arts and crafts, string art, tassels, and more. And don't forget, it makes a fantastic gift. Whether you're surprising a friend or a loved one, this set is sure to bring joy and inspiration. Plus, with 24/7 customer support, you can rest easy knowing help is always just a message away. So, dive into a world of color and creativity with the Embroidery Floss Rainbow Color 50 Skeins Per Pack. It's more than just floss. It's your gateway to a vibrant artistic adventure. Unveil the pinnacle of creativity with our #1 pick in the countdown, the Friendship Bracelet String, 50 Skeins, Rainbow Color Embroidery Floss. This isn't just a collection of threads, it's a treasure trove of vibrant possibilities. Picture this: 50 distinct rainbow hued skeins, each one a gateway to endless creativity. From the bold blues and vibrant reds to the sunny yellows and soft pastels, this set has every color you could ever need. Blue, green, red, orange, pink, yellow, gray, black, white. You name it, it's here. It's the ultimate toolkit for all your crafting dreams. Crafted from high-quality cotton, each skein is about 8.75 yards long, ensuring you have plenty of material for any project. This floss is designed to be flexible, resistant to pilling, and durable for long-term use. Whether you're making friendship bracelets, engaging in children's crafts, working on cross-stitch projects, or creating festive tassels, this floss has you covered. But it doesn't stop there. Imagine giving this set as a gift. Whether it's for your mom, grandma, friends, or a budding cross-stitch enthusiast. It's not just a gift. It's an invitation to create, to share, and to enjoy a meaningful DIY experience together. Each skein comes with color tags, making it easy to find exactly what you need for your next masterpiece. And with a long storage time, this floss is ready to go whenever inspiration strikes. So, embrace the spectrum of creativity with the Friendship Bracelet String, 50 Skeins, Rainbow Color Embroidery Floss. It's more than just craft supplies. It's your gateway to a world of colorful, unforgettable projects. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the top-selling embroidery products on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.